Hey there, Globetrotters and Wilderness Warriors. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop shop for everything tech that fuels your adventures. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a gadget-loving newbie itching to explore the great outdoors, we've got you covered. Today, we're showcasing some mind-blowing camping inventions that will redefine your off-the-grid experience. So, dust off your backpacks, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to be amazed. From campfire to charger, the BioLite Camp Stove 2. Forget bulky camp stoves and scrambling for spare batteries. First up, we have the BioLite Camp Stove 2, a revolutionary invention that harnesses the power of your campfire to keep your devices juiced. Picture this, crackling fire, roasting marshmallows, and simultaneously charging your phone. The dream, right? The Camp Stove 2 boasts a built-in battery to store excess energy for later use, making it the ultimate eco-friendly companion for off-grid adventures. Plus, its lightweight design and included LED light ensure you can whip up culinary masterpieces long after sunset. Not only does this innovative stove enhance your cooking efficiency, but it also promotes sustainable practices by reducing reliance on disposable batteries and minimizing your environmental impact. Elevate your campout. The Tentsile Connect Tree Tent. Ditch the ordinary ground tent and embrace a whole new level of camping with the Tentsile Connect Tree Tent. This ingenious creation blends the comfort of a hammock with the security of a tent, suspending you comfortably between trees. Say goodbye to damp ground and unwelcome creepy crawlies, and hello to a unique, elevated camping experience. Setting up the Tentsile Connect is a breeze, and it provides ample space for two adventurers to rest comfortably. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views and a canopy of stars. The Tentsile Connect boasts a removable rainfly and mesh walls, allowing you to enjoy stunning scenery and stargaze under the Milky Way. This isn't just about comfort, it's about forging a deeper connection with nature. Imagine the incredible feeling of swaying gently amidst the trees, offering a truly immersive experience unlike any other. Ever tried a tree tent? Tell us what excites you most about this concept. Lighten your load and brighten your campsite, the Lucy Solar Lantern. Tired of bulky lanterns and dead batteries? Look no further than the Lucy Solar Lantern. This innovative gadget harnesses the power of the sun to provide clean, bright light wherever you roam. Simply hang it from a branch or rest it on a picnic table, and let the sunshine do the rest. The Lucy Lantern comes in various sizes and colors, making it a versatile addition to your camping kit. It's lightweight, durable, and completely waterproof, ensuring reliable illumination on even the dampest adventures. Adventure awaits. Embrace the future of camping. These are just a few examples of the incredible innovations transforming the world of camping. From eco-friendly power solutions to elevated sleeping quarters and solar-powered illumination, these gadgets are designed to enhance your comfort, minimize your impact, and create unforgettable outdoor experiences. Harnessing the power of the sun, the Luminade solar-powered inflatable lantern. Ever heard of the solar-powered inflatable lantern by Luminade? This innovative gadget is a shining example of sustainable camping technology. This lightweight, waterproof lantern charges in the sun and inflates to provide bright, ambient light. Say goodbye to bulky lanterns, tangled wires, and the need for batteries or electricity. The Luminade packs flat for easy storage and inflates to give you a portable, versatile lighting solution. It's a must-have for eco-conscious campers who want to reduce their carbon footprint while enjoying reliable illumination. Plus, its durable design ensures it can withstand the elements, making it a reliable companion in all weather conditions. Cleaning up on the go, the Scrub-A-Wash Bag. Let's not forget about the Scrub-A-Wash Bag, a portable washing machine that's a lifesaver for keeping your clothes clean while you're adventuring. Imagine this, fresh clothes, even on extended camping trips. This pocket-sized, lightweight bag features a built-in washboard. Simply fill it with water, add some detergent and your dirty clothes, seal it shut, and give it a good rub. In just a few minutes, you'll have clean clothes ready to hang dry. The Scrub-A-Wash bag eliminates the hassle of finding a laundromat and ensures you always have fresh clothes, making long camping trips more comfortable and manageable. It's an essential tool for maintaining hygiene in the wilderness, keeping you feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Have you ever tried a Scrub-A-Wash bag? Tell us about your experience. Drink safe anywhere. The Grail GeoPress Water Purifier. Safe drinking water is crucial when you're out in the wild, and the Grail GeoPress makes it easier than ever. This innovative purifier transforms any source of water into safe drinking water in just 8 seconds. It removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and even microplastics, ensuring you stay hydrated without compromising your health. The Grail GeoPress is a game-changer for any adventurer who wants to travel light and avoid the burden of carrying heavy water supplies. Simply fill the container, press it down through the filter, and drink. It's that easy. This portable purifier provides peace of mind by ensuring you have access to safe drinking water wherever your adventures take you. Plus, it promotes environmental stewardship by reducing your reliance on single-use plastic bottles. Hydration on the move. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Speaking of hydration, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is another essential gadget for any outdoor enthusiast. This small, portable filter lets you drink directly from streams, lakes, or other natural water sources with confidence. It removes 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites, transforming potentially unsafe water into clean drinking water. The LifeStraw is ultra-lightweight and fits easily in your backpack, making it perfect for emergencies, spontaneous hikes, or backpacking adventures. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it an indispensable tool for any camper, hiker, or traveler, ensuring you stay hydrated and healthy on the go. Conquer the cold. The Ravian Heated Sleeping Bag. For those chilly nights under the stars, check out the Ravian Heated Sleeping Bag. This innovative sleeping bag features built-in heating elements that keep you warm and comfortable in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by a portable battery, it offers adjustable heat settings to customize your comfort level no matter the weather. The Ravian Heated Sleeping Bag is a game-changer for cold weather camping, ensuring you get a good night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to explore. This sleeping bag not only provides warmth but also enhances safety by preventing hypothermia in extreme conditions. Imagine a cozy night's sleep even in the most frigid environments. Cooking up adventures. The JetBoil Flash Cooking System. Calling all camp chefs. The JetBoil Flash Cooking System is about to revolutionize your camp kitchen. This all-in-one stove system boils water in a mere 100 seconds, making it the ultimate companion for efficient meal prep and quick coffee breaks. Imagine whipping up a hot meal in no time. The JetBoil Flash is compact, lightweight, and incredibly user-friendly. It features a built-in igniter for easy operation and a cooking cup that doubles as a mug, minimizing the number of tools you need to carry. Whether you're a gourmet camper or a quick-bite adventurer, this system will transform your cooking experience. Its speed and efficiency save you time and fuel, allowing you to focus more on enjoying the outdoors and less on meal prep. Power up your adventure. The Goal Zero Yeti 400 Portable Power Station. Gone are the days of dead batteries and limited connectivity in the wilderness. The Goal Zero Yeti 400 Portable Power Station is a solar-powered game-changer. This power station allows you to charge all your gadgets, from smartphones and cameras to laptops and lights, ensuring you stay connected and powered up even in the most remote locations. It's quiet, emission-free, and can be charged via solar panels, a wall outlet, or a car charger, offering maximum flexibility. The Yeti 400 provides reliable power for all your camping needs, keeping you informed, entertained, and your devices functioning throughout your adventure. This power station isn't just about convenience, it's about enabling modern explorers to maintain a digital connection while still embracing the beauty and serenity of the wilderness. Harnessing the sun's power. The BioLite Solar Home 620. Let's delve deeper into sustainable camping solutions. The BioLite Solar Home 620 is a complete solar lighting and charging system designed to illuminate and power your campsite. This innovative system includes a solar panel, a control box, and hanging lights with built-in motion sensors. Imagine a campsite bathed in warm, eco-friendly light, powered entirely by the sun. The BioLite Solar Home 620 provides a sustainable way to light up your space and charge your devices, ensuring a comfortable and well-lit campsite throughout your trip. This system not only enhances your camping experience but also aligns with eco-friendly practices by harnessing renewable energy. Comfort on the go, the Helinox Chair Zero. Finally, let's not forget about comfort. The Helinox Chair Zero is an ultra-lightweight, compact, and incredibly comfortable camping chair. Weighing just over a pound, it's easy to carry and set up, providing a welcome and sturdy seating option for relaxing at your campsite. Don't be fooled by its weight. This chair can support up to 265 pounds, making it both durable and practical. The Helinox Chair Zero adds a touch of luxury to your camping experience without significantly increasing the weight of your pack. Imagine kicking back and enjoying the view in complete comfort after a long day of exploration. Gourmet cooking on the go, the Camp Chef Everest 2X High-Pressure Stove. Attention, camp chefs! Calling all foodies who crave delicious meals even in the wilderness. The Camp Chef Everest 2X High-Pressure Stove is about to become your new best friend. This powerful double burner features adjustable heat controls, allowing you to whip up culinary masterpieces with ease. Imagine simmering a stew while simultaneously sautéing vegetables, all at your campsite. Designed for high-altitude cooking, the Everest 2X delivers consistent heat even in windy conditions, ensuring perfect results no matter the environment. Built to last with a robust design and a convenient carry handle, this stove is a dream come true for serious outdoor cooks. The Camp Chef Everest 2X ensures that you can enjoy gourmet meals wherever your adventures take you, transforming your wilderness dining experience. Home away from home, the Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL2 Tent. Turn your campsite into a comfortable haven with the Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL2 Tent. This ultra-lightweight tent offers ample space, weather protection, and incredible durability. Imagine a spacious and comfortable living area, even in the wilderness. The high-volume design provides increased livability, with steep walls and a large vestibule for storing your gear. Easy to set up and featuring excellent ventilation, the Copper Spur HVUL2 ensures a comfortable and dry sleeping environment throughout your adventure. This tent is the perfect blend of functionality. It offers the comfort of a spacious shelter without sacrificing the portability of a lightweight design. Safety first, the Garmin InReach Mini. Safety is paramount, especially when venturing into remote areas. The Garmin InReach Mini is a crucial tool for staying connected and ensuring your safety during your adventures. This compact satellite communicator allows you to send and receive text messages, track your location, and even trigger an SOS to emergency services, all from anywhere in the world. Imagine having peace of mind knowing help is just a message away, no matter where you are. The Garmin InReach Mini is a vital piece of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, allowing you to stay connected with loved ones and ensuring a safe and worry-free adventure. The all-in-one kitchen, the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cook Set. For those who love to cook delicious meals under the open sky, the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cook Set is the ultimate companion. This comprehensive and compact cook set includes everything you need to prepare a feast in the great outdoors: pots, pans, mugs, and plates, all neatly nested together for easy packing and storage. Imagine having all your cooking essentials in one convenient package. Made from durable, non-stick materials and designed for efficient cooking and easy cleaning, the Pinnacle Camper Cook Set makes your camp cooking experience more enjoyable and hassle-free. So, there you have it, folks. These next-level camping inventions are designed to enhance your outdoor experience, making it more comfortable, convenient, and exciting. Which of these gadgets are you most excited to try on your next camping trip? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech advancements and gadget reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.